What is WordPress and how am I using it today? WordPress is a free and open source content management system. What does that mean? That means WordPress is where you can create and get to work on your website. And that's exactly what I'm doing with WordPress today. I build and make my website in WordPress. JerryBanfield.com is created and managed in WordPress. And if you see here, you can quickly see the dashboard. WordPress, here's all the settings and the back end. You make blog posts on it. You can do pages on it that are fixed instead of being a part of the blog. And then you have all your settings you do. And this is what I produce, what is available to you online through WordPress from what I'm doing. WordPress is used by more than 20% of the top 10 million websites, and it's the most popular blogging system in use on the web. WordPress is the standard way that you make a website and add content to it. It's so ridiculously easy to use. There's so many different web hosting platforms that can give you cheap hosting for it, and it's a simple way to make a professional website. And you don't have to know anything about coding. I know almost nothing about coding, and here you go. I have a website that looks professional, that people consistently give compliments on and say, oh, that's a nice website. And you can get everything right through my website. And you can see I put a lot of energy. This is my blog. These are all blog posts, and most of these are all fairly new. Now, I have a system for doing this, and that's the beauty. WordPress is easy to get help with also when you start having things go well. WordPress is scalable, so you can set up WordPress right on your own without having any prior experience, especially if you follow the steps I show you in this course to get it set up right without all the aggravation. So WordPress, very helpful as a freelancer online. Building a professional website is one of the most helpful things you can have to put yourself as an upscale freelancer. So WordPress, I'll give you a lot more in the WordPress section. I'll walk you step by step through every single thing that I've learned that's valuable that you can use to get using WordPress with minimal frustration.